You don't need to get rid of your distractions to be successful academically. Why? Before distractions like social media and other online games and its associated activities students were already failing exams. And as the world advances, these distractions keep increasing. But students are also setting new records and breaking new ones. But is there a correlation between the advancement of technology and students' failure? That's a question we need to find out its solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use all the countless distractions to advance in your academics without getting rid of any of them. All these distractions lead to the production of dopamine. Who doesn't want pleasure? Have you ever blamed your intellectual insufficiency or low grades on your ungoverned relationship to social media and other distracting activities? Have you? And I think you were biased. Now in the book Shallows, written by Nicholas Carr, he explains how the use of the internet and its advancement overrides our ability to stop using it. We receive an inner reward, that is, the sprouting out of dopamine into our brain anytime we use the internet or any rewarding activity. The reason why you always feel distracted and fall into the temptation of getting distracted when you are studying is because you don't know how dopamine works, and so you don't know how to make studying pleasurable. Your study system is too hard and unsatisfying, but I want to show you how. So my first point is to set achievable goals before you start studying. Goals that you know are achievable. During your study session, you can reward yourself with a small treat like a chocolate or an activity you enjoy doing and get back to your studies. Secondly, you can take short, regular breaks while studying. During these breaks, take part in pleasurable activities like walking, chatting with your friends, doing stretching or a light exercise. You can use the Pomodoro Technique to make it more structured. You can look in the video description to find how to use or what the Pomodoro Technique is. Now the third, focus on ways you can make what you are studying meaningful and relevant to your life. How satisfying it would have been if you were told that velocity equals distance over time can be used to predict the time you will get to a particular location you are traveling to before you were taught. And my final point is collaborating with others on work and assignments. Don't feel shy to ask questions and don't rack your brain alone. When you collaborate, each individual will come up with their unique understanding and make the thinking a sort of division of labor. So don't get rid of your distractions. You can use them to activate new positive habits. This includes reading self-help books, learning a new language, or even mastering a new skill. If you want to know how to read a book effectively, kindly click on the video floating on the screen.